Hey guys, happy Saturday. Today is the 16th of August. This is the day I'm recording the video. Yeah, I wanted to do a follow-up video regarding, let's say, CryptoFace, because I think it's so obvious that I really want to talk about it. Not about blaming him, but he's a perfect example for trading, for the trading business, for trading influencers, and the fraud which is going on. In the last video, I was speaking about that he did some bad trades. Right now, there's a pattern. And when we talk about patterns, then we can definitely talk about trading. To make an analysis in the market, because it was a video comment I received from somebody, that CryptoFace was right and he was always right about the market predictions. It's something different. And Warren Buffett said, market forecasters will fill your ear but never fill your wallet. So I just repeat this: market analysts will fill your ear but never your wallet. And I believe there's some truth to this. How to spot a trader, and I want to talk a little bit about that, especially when it comes down to leverage trading, because here it's relatively simple. In trading, there's one rule. This is the 90-90-90 rule, okay? And this means 90% of traders will lose their account in 90 days, okay? So 90% of traders will lose their account, or 90% of their account in 90 days, okay? This is how it was. So 90% of all traders in leverage trading will burn their account, or 90% of their account, in 90 days. So the 90-90-90 rule. And I think this is something which you should really listen carefully, because I think there's a lot to learn about it. If you do it like everybody else, you will fail. We talked about it a lot of times. Leverage isn't your friend. It's probably most of the time your enemy. But I want to talk a little bit more about CryptoFace, because on him, I believe it's not somebody who is just stupid. I believe that he's somebody who does it on purpose. As you can see, he did it's 3 days ago, his swing hard, swing heavy account. He's up 13%. Amazing job, CryptoFace. A lot of respect to you, my friend. What happens then a few days afterwards is the following: that swing hard, swing heavy is down 60% after how many days? 30 days. And let's look at the 7 days. He's down 71%. Okay. So how to spot the trader now? Okay. Very simple. Just ask one question. Ask about the last 3 months of return. Simple. Okay, it's quite simple. And our friend CryptoFace basically has 90% losses here in the one account. In the other account, it's 60% down, or 70% down in 7 days. It will be the same result like here. Okay, the swing hard, swing heavy will be the same like the full port authority. It's scam. Okay, it's scam, because I can tell you this for one reason: the more leverage you apply, the bigger the likelihood is that you lose. This guy does it forever. So his first video is out when? So let's look at this account. Oldest videos are from 7 years ago. Okay, so basically he was trading bots, he was trading whatever crap a few years ago already. So this guy knows that leverage hurts, and when somebody loses 90% or 60% in 7 days, or 70% in 7 days, then it's a scam, my friends. Okay, so this doesn't work. So what are we doing here? So we have 2 accounts visible, or not visible, it's just preparation. Here's basically an account it's fully automated. I'm not really happy with it. So we're down 2% in 89 days. So not really good. It's a model we use. Actually, it's a very good model, but it has some tougher time right now. And we started with this model to trade it automatically, because at that time when we started, it was better than one of our other core models. So we implemented that. Right now, the other model worked fantastically well. The one we use here didn't work quite well. And this here is me again trading 90. So how old is this account now? 58 days, 90-cent loss position on. Ask for a trader you follow for 90 days. Again, to remind you guys, 90% of traders will lose 90% of the time in 90 days. Okay, so 90% traders will lose 90% of account in 90 days. Okay, and our friend Crypto is exactly the perfect example for this. I really have to say, it's not bad trading anymore. It's a scam. He's using you, abusing his audience, and I think it hurts the exchange as well. And we work with the exchange as well. We work with Bitunix. I think they are not doing themselves a favor, and to onboard guys like him who just are scammers. So in the long run, for sure, it will hurt Bitunix. And I think the company should overthink requirements, basically who they allow to allow copy trading or not. Because again, to burn 71% in 7 days or 88% in under 90 days, it's not trading. So guys, what I want to tell you, it's not about bashing just the scammer. It's about warning you that you shouldn't believe these guys. Ask guys you follow for 90 days at least track record, because making huge percentages with little money is easy. Applying trades longer term with bigger size is difficult, and this is gambling, not trading, and be aware of it. All right, so I think you will be able to learn a little bit about this. Think about this. Trade with small leverage. Ideally leverage is under 5. If you're not sure, trade spot. If you're convinced about the market, other than that, don't trade. Guys, I would like to wish you a beautiful weekend. Enjoy the weekend. Enjoy the summer. Roddy, over and out.